So I know a lot of you are trying to manifest your reality and you're doing your affirmations, you're doing your meditation and all of these things, and it's just not happening. Well, I'm here today to explain to you two reasons why your manifestation is struggling. So first thing is you have to understand how the universe works. If you break down everything in the universe, if you reverse engineer everything in the universe, everything is made up of atoms. You're made up of atoms. The car you drive, the chair you sit in, the sun, the earth, the universe, everything is made up of atoms. Now, these atoms clump together and form things kind of like us. We come together and form cities, and we make things and things like that. So what you need to understand about these atoms is that they correspond to emotional energy. So anything that you give your energy to, whatever your frequency is, whatever your vibration is, that is what the atoms will flock to. It's kind of like you're a radio antenna, and whatever your mind is, if you're on 107.7, I'm angry, then those atoms are going to correspond to that. The atoms that correspond to anger are going to keep creating things that correspond to 107.7. I'm mad today. So that's the first thing, is that you understand that you're vibrating in a frequency that's bringing you more of what you want. Even when you spew hate and you're like, I hate that girl or whatever, you think that you're projecting that to her. Well, in our actuality, the universe is giving you what you're spewing out. You're taking the poison. She ain't gonna die. You gonna die. So you need to understand that about the universe. The universe corresponds to emotional energy and motion, and whatever you are projecting your emotions in an energetic way to, that's what's coming to you. So now the second thing, the most important thing, is that you are projecting your manifestation in a wrong sequence. 95% of the people are doing this. I feel this way, and I feel that if I can get this reality, then it will make me feel this way. For instance, I feel insecure and broke. If I can get some money, then that would make me feel secure and happy. That's the way 95% of the people operate. I'm here. If I can have this desired reality, it'll make me feel this way. Well, when you try to manifest in that way, you're telling the universe, I don't have what I need. So the universe doesn't care about the semantics of your word. It's focusing, like I said on the first problem, it's focusing on your emotional energy. I feel this. If I have this, then I'll feel that. That's the wrong sequence. This is how to manifest. I feel this, so I'm going to change my frequency and feel this, and then those atoms will come together in reality and bring you this. I'm broke now. I'm going to feel abundant, even though my reality is not showing it at this moment. I'm going to feel with conviction. I'm going to feel abundant, and reality changes. So switch your manifestation from I'm here, I need this so I can feel that, to I'm here, I'm going to feel that I'm loved. I'm going to feel this relationship. I'm going to feel abundant. I'm going to feel this now. And then the atoms come together because of the emotional energy, and it becomes your desired reality. So, hope you learned something today. I'll be back again soon with another video. I think one of my clients told me to make a video on relationships. So I think the next video will be on that. Till we meet again, namaste.